Fail as fast as you can, twin. Look, I may not know you personally, but I know that there's a 99% chance that you are afraid of failing. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But you should know that failing is a critical part of the process to success. That fear can stop you from starting, bro. And that's step one. So eliminating that fear comes before step one. And you do that by embracing it and almost expecting it like some sort of a checkpoint or something. And so you change it from being the end of your journey to success into being just a pit stop. And let's just be honest, it's not even the failure that you're so afraid of. It's the judgment that comes with it from other people. Who are these niggas? And why do they matter so much to your process? They don't. Fuck them. Another reason why you might be so afraid